Welcome to HOPAWI Gardens, where we specialize in bringing vibrant life into your homes and offices. Embrace a lifestyle of greenery, transforming your everyday surroundings into a refreshing oasis. Discover our exquisite collection of premium indoor and outdoor potted plants. Each one is carefully selected to transform your spaces with unparalleled beauty, warmth, and serenity. From elegant succulents to majestic trees, our diverse range caters to every aesthetic and need. Beyond just selling plants, we offer comprehensive professional plant care and garden maintenance services. Our expert team ensures your greenery thrives, looking its best throughout the year. This includes precise watering schedules tailored to each plant's needs. We also provide meticulous pruning to encourage healthy growth and beautiful shapes. For outdoor spaces, our services extend to professional mowing and perfect trimming, ensuring your garden remains a stunning focal point all year round. Indoor plants are more than just decor. They are natural air purifiers. They actively remove toxins, creating a healthier and more breathable environment inside your home or office. Studies show that indoor plants also significantly boost mood and reduce stress levels, bringing a sense of calm and well-being to your daily routine. Meanwhile, outdoor plants enhance your property's curb appeal, making a lasting first impression. They create vibrant and inviting living spaces, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Imagine hosting gatherings in a garden that reflects your personal style and taste. At HOPAWI Gardens, we are committed to helping you cultivate a greener, healthier environment. Let us bring the beauty and benefits of nature directly to your doorstep. Choose HOPAWI Gardens today and experience the transformative power of living plants.